Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform an assisted PNF stretch on the lateral flexors of the trunk. When performing this stretch, we're going to primarily be focusing on the erector spinae groups, so the iliostalis, the longissimus, and the spinalis muscles, as well as the quadratus lumborum and the internal and external obliques. When we are performing this stretch, what we're going to have the client do is cross their arms over their shoulder. The same side hip, so if you are stretching out their left side, their right hip, you are going to place your right thigh up against their greater trochanter. Your right hand you will place on their left ASIS. Your left hand you will place underneath the neck and grab at the shoulder. Relax the head. And what you're going to do now is you will take them into a stretch by first applying a downward pressure at the ASIS and then laterally flexing the trunk. Once they can't go any farther, what you're going to do is give them 2 taps and then they will straighten out their body. And then 1 tap they're going to relax and you are going to take them deeper into the stretch. You can also perform this stretch without stabilizing at the greater trochanter, but then if you do it this way, you do run the risk of having the hip move and then it won't be quite as effective. But that is one other way that you can perform this stretch. And that is how you perform some assisted PNF stretching on the lateral flexors of the trunk.